In this vlog, I want to be more productive, and uni is tough, but like everything is also kind of tough. And since we're stepping into a new season, I want to like make this like a reset vlog. Time to wash my clothes. I bought these things so that I can put my white and black clothing together, and they'll help to absorb the dirt and the color. I think I'm gonna take a shower. We are going! Okay, I'm gonna press 3, 2, 1. Yay! There was not much left, so everything was like in dust. These days I keep skipping my breakfast. So yeah, today I'm gonna have granola to start my day. I'm lost in your eyes, it's no surprise. No wonder you live in my mind. How lucky am I? You came into my life. Yet I never knew I'd miss our beginnings quite like this. I wish I could meet you all over again. Can we go back to when we were just friends? So I can hold your hand for the first time. Anticipate calling you mine. Back where we began. If I could meet you again.
I can do like all these moves, but like when I actually even try to know, yeah, that was hard.
There's some redness here. I'm gonna use aloe vera.
What the dog doing?
Filtering. So as long as you apply here earlier, then it won't stressful. bit confused because I think I did. This is the first time I'm trying the osmanthus oolong from this bubble tea shop. I'm gonna do my makeup now and I'll be right back.
Wait, so what do you think about an anti-film?
Don't trigger me, don't. Wait, I'll buy this.
This is for new era. 真要 hard at work. We wash an orchid amber. Going out now.
Mommy wearing shoe, my shoe. Mommy ang.
Sorry, just finished it.
Oh, that was a bit.
Yum!
Wow, she's so good.
Chicken.
喺個二度未奶嚟嘅。The sauce so good. Like really thank you, Gong. Oh my god, the duck is so good. Oh, yummy. What's your favorite? The mystery of the chopsticks.
4 hands, 3 chairs.
Oh, bars. what is our hypothesis? It's a stolen chopstick from the serving area.
Japanese?
Yeah, they're filming for Enchien, I think. Oh, y'all like streaming Enchien?
I got your mouth got hole. Mouth got hole.
来，你中。
嗯